You still going to pursue legal action against Mariah Yeater?
I mean, he honestly hasn't been paying much attention to it because he's never met the girl, and he said it's false like 15 times. He's, ready to take a paternity test at any moment. We have one scheduled for tomorrow. We've never even seen the lawsuit, but we're going to just get ahead of this thing and go right after it, and I think it's important to hold people accountable for their actions. At the end of the day, we could shy away from it, but I think it's important not only for him, but for all the people in his position to kind of make a statement that it's not cool. He's trying to be a role model, and you're not going to come in and just slander him and feel like you can walk away and everything's fine.
Because it could happen again. Like, just because she did it, then like we don't want to make it seem like it's okay for everyone else to just say, oh yeah, Justin had my baby or having my baby. So
Justin's actually having my baby.
Yeah, that's actually.
So yeah, it's I'm pregnant. I'm showing soon.
You are going to take the paternity test tomorrow?
Yeah, we're just gonna. He doesn't mind. He's like, I'm just gonna get ahead of it and be fine. And
it doesn't matter.
Does it make you nervous though that you're always going to have to defend yourself?
No, I think we're gonna make it. We're gonna let people know that if we have to defend ourselves, then there's going to be consequences to their actions.
Yeah.
And I think that's that's what's important, to basically put that message out there that we're not just going to say, okay, look, we didn't do it, but we're going to say that if you go after someone, that there's consequences to your actions when you make something up and you blatantly lie.